Looking for the best camping gear 2026 has to offer? In today's video, we're breaking down 25 amazing camping gadgets on Amazon that will completely transform your next outdoor adventure. From smart camping lights and portable solar power to next-gen survival gear and space-saving camp kitchen tools, these are the must-have camping essentials for every hiker and explorer. Whether you're into car camping or extreme backpacking, stay tuned to see the ultimate gear list. Campfire treats taste better when they're safe and easy to make. The Sumpri s'mores sticks are designed for a fire pit, marshmallow roasting sticks for campfires, and a rotating s'more stick set of 6 with safe, fun, telescoping, multicolored 34-inch hot dog sticks. Made from stainless steel with 360-degree rotating handles, these Sumpri long camping skewers ensure even roasting, easy sharing, and memorable s'mores nights for camping, backyard fires, and outdoor gatherings. Relax anywhere without sacrificing comfort. The Colegence lounge chair is a foldable patio anti-gravity reclining chair, a folding lawn recliner with a cup holder built for yard, camping, and outdoor use, supporting 350 pounds. Featuring an oversized 29-inch seat, thick padding, lockable zero-gravity reclining system, durable steel frame, and compact foldable design, it's perfect for home, patio, beach, lawn, park, or camping, delivering all-day relaxation wherever you go. Upgrade your cooking with a natural touch of flavor. The Spantik Salt Block Set is a Himalayan cooking plate for grilling, cooking, and serving, made from 100% pure natural food-grade salt stone with a durable stainless steel holder. This unique grilling accessory enhances meats, seafood, veggies, and desserts while doubling as a stunning serving plate. Perfect for barbecue, smokers, home cooking, or professional chefs. It also makes one of the most unique gifts for food lovers. Perfect cooking starts with precise temperature control. The ThermoMonster Instant Read Meat Thermometer is a 0.5 second plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit precision food thermometer for cooking, powered by an upgraded professional thermocouple sensor. Featuring a long probe, temperature lock, auto flip large LCD, 100% waterproof design, and motion sensing sleep wake, it's an essential kitchen gadget for oven, grill, candy, barbecue, and a great gift for him, dad, or men who love cooking. Great cooking starts with the right blade. The Mad Shark Chef Knife is a German high-carbon stainless steel kitchen knife with a professional-grade razor-sharp edge, delivering control, precision, and the ideal cutting zone. This 8-inch long-lasting sharp knife slices meat, fish, and vegetables effortlessly. Featuring an ergonomic full-tang non-slip handle, it's perfect for everyday cooking, and a premium gift for husbands, men, or women who love the kitchen. Privacy and comfort matter, even outdoors. The all-top Awning shower room is a car-side bathroom privacy shelter restroom with a roof, featuring a foldable floor mat, LED light, and drain pipe for clean, convenient use. Built with waterproof blackout coating and packed in a 1000D PVC weatherproof awning bag, this all-in-one setup is perfect for camping, overlanding, road trips, and outdoor shower or restroom needs in any weather. Great grilling shouldn't be limited to your backyard. The Monument Tabletop Gas Grill is built for outdoor portable camping cooking with travel locks, featuring a stainless steel high lid and built-in thermometer for precise control. With a lightweight 20-pound design, 15,000 British thermal units of cooking power, and 207 square inches of cooking area, plus stainless steel grates and burners, it's perfect for camping, tailgating, travel, and outdoor cooking, delivering fast, even heat anywhere you go. Carry heavy loads comfortably on every adventure. The Stansport internal frame pack is a top-loading internal frame pack with a plastic frame sheet and frame stays that hold its shape, built from double diamond ripstop polyester for durability. Featuring a maximum flow suspension system, breathable padded shoulder and waist belt, sleeping bag compartment, Compression straps, zippered waist pockets, adjustable lid with media port, hideaway rain cover, and dual mesh bottle pockets. It's ideal for hiking, camping, and backpacking trips. Stay hydrated safely on every adventure with the Katadyn Hiker Pro water filter. Perfect for backpacking, camping, and emergency survival, this filter removes protozoa, cysts, algae, spores, and sediments from clear to muddy water, while the active carbon core reduces unpleasant tastes and odors. Easy to clean in the field, portable, and ergonomic, it connects to most water bottles and hydration bladders, making it ideal for ultralight backpacking, hiking, camping, or survival kits. Sleep comfortably anywhere with the Givanlee camping pillow. This camping pillow for sleeping. 2-pack features compact travel pillows filled with shredded memory foam, a soft breathable cover, and a portable storage bag, making them perfect for camping, backpacking, hiking, and travel. With adjustable firmness, these small pillows improve sleep quality for you and your family, providing comfort on the go while being lightweight, compact, and easy to carry for all outdoor adventures. Nothing beats a shirt that feels good and looks better wherever you go. The Stream flannel shirts are a must when comfort, durability, and style matter. This long-sleeve plaid checkered, brushed casual Western cowboy pearl snap shirt delivers classic flannel shirts with Western styling, making it a must-have Christmas gift that everybody wants to know where you got it. With a pearl snap design, corduroy collar, chest pocket, adjustable cuffs, and Western style, it is perfect for relaxing, yard work, camping, fireside evenings, walks, and outdoor activities. Great cooking starts with knives you can trust in any setting. The Hoshanho butcher knife set is essential when precision, strength, and versatility matter. This hand-forged butcher chef knife set with a roll bag includes a sharp meat cleaver knife, bone chopper knives, and fillet knives for home, camping, and barbecue gifts for men. Made from high-carbon stainless steel with 58 ±2 hardness, a stone-washed hammer finish, and a 16-degree V-edge, plus ergonomic walnut wood handles. It is used for slicing, chopping, barbecue, camping, hiking, and outdoor cooking. When you camp solo, every ounce and inch matters. Meet the Zen Camps Table, a compact, foldable aluminum solution built for solo camping and small outdoor trips. This ultra-lightweight 19.8-ounce Air 2 table features a 2-tier design for work, eating, and gear organization, with an optional board creating 3 levels. Easy one-piece assembly in about 30 seconds, a stainless steel frame, heat resistance, and a durable matte black finish make it ideal for cooking, relaxing, and organizing gear at camp. Good lighting turns any campsite or blackout into a safe, usable space. The SakerPlus camping light is a telescopic camping lantern with a 14,000 mAh rechargeable power supply delivering up to 6,000 lumens. It offers dimmable, magnetic tent lamps, 3 brightness modes, warm and cold light, and SOS mode. Compact, waterproof, and easy to mount or carry, it works as an outdoor work light for hiking, camping, home emergency use, RV trips, and everyday outdoor tasks. A good night's sleep makes every adventure better. The Luno camping mattress is a tall, universal fit hybrid foam plus air mattress built for serious comfort on the road. Its AIR+Foam construction uses open cell foam for a plush, supportive feel that rivals your bed at home. The rectangular design fits trunks, tents, or open campsites, while head support bridge attachments add stability, storage, and extra gear space. It's used for comfortable car camping, tent camping, and sleeping outdoors anywhere you roam. When eye safety is on the line, quick access matters. The Yzzwer portable Eyewash station is an OSHA-approved emergency solution designed for fast response in any workplace. This 8-gallon wall-mounted Eyewash irrigation kit is portable or wall-mounted, providing 15 minutes or more of continuous flushing. With gravity-fed double nozzles and no plumbing required, it delivers reliable emergency cleaning of the eyes and face. It is used in laboratories, construction sites, factories, and other demanding work environments. Cold ground, damp air, and surprise weather can ruin a good trip fast. Introducing the Kammok Mountain Blanket, an ultra-plush fleece, water-resistant, portable, durable indoor/outdoor camp blanket built for comfort anywhere. It features a water-resistant ripstop fabric shell, ultra-plush fleece interior, and durable snaps for 4-mode versatility. Machine washable and made with diamond shell 40D ripstop nylon, it is used for camping, lounging, layering warmth, or wearing as a poncho outdoors. Too much sun or sudden rain can quickly ruin RV comfort. The Suncode Black Motorized Kit is an Awning electric retractable RV awning complete kit for RV, camper and home size 10 by 8 feet blue strip and actual fabric dimensions of 9 feet 2 inches by 8 feet. Built with high-quality 16-ounce vinyl material, aluminum arms, double stitching, and hot pressing tech, it offers a universal fit for Solera, Dometic, and Carefree. It is used to create shade, protect RV carpet and furniture, and enhance outdoor living. Great grilling starts with fuel you can trust. The FireForge cooking wood lump charcoal is a must when you want fast ignition, steady heat, and cleaner grills. Made from 100% natural Paraguayan wood, this premium quality wood lump charcoal lights fast and cooks longer, burns hotter, and keeps cleanup easier with low ash. Sustainable, clean burning, and long-lasting, it's ideal for grilling, barbecues, smokers, and outdoor cooking, where rich flavor and reliable performance matter most. Bad weather should never end a good trip. The Slumberjack Satellite Tarp is a compact, lightweight shelter you need when rain or sun hits unexpectedly. This 10-foot by 8.5 feet waterproof multi-pitch camping tarp offers flexible coverage for campsites and backcountry setups. Finished in khaki with Realtree camo blending natural earth tones, it's designed for tree stands, stealthy hikes, and week-long hunts. A reliable shelter solution for camping, hunting, and outdoor adventures where comfort and protection matter. Keep your trunk organized and your gear ready for adventure with the Kelty CAR-GO-Box. This 45-liter travel organization kit is essential for camping, tailgating, road trips, and everyday hauling. Color-coded packing cubes with U-shaped zippers make packing and accessing gear easy, while reinforced handles and a structured folding case ensure durability and easy transport. Made from rugged 600D fabric, it resists wear, punctures, and the elements, keeping your truck, van, SUV, or car neat, protected, and adventure-ready. Protect your gear and stay organized on the go with the Nanuq Duffel Camera Bag. Designed for photographers, this hard-shell travel backpack fits multiple camera bodies, large lenses, a drone, a GoPro, and a 16-inch laptop, offering an expansive 40-liter capacity. It features versatile duffel or backpack carry options, a tripod holder, and quick access compartments for SD cards and batteries. Water-resistant, impact-protected, and travel-ready, this bag is ideal for city shoots, adventure trips, and professional photography on the move. Stay powered anywhere with the Kammok Portable Power Station. Featuring a massive 3,840 watt-hours LiFePO4 battery, expandable up to 11,520 watt-hours. It provides long-lasting energy for home, garage, off-grid living, camping, RVs, and outdoor adventures. With a 3,600 watts rated output, 15 versatile ports, and multiple charging methods, including AC, solar, and car, the generator can run nearly any household appliance. Its telescoping handle, wheels, and Bluetooth monitoring make it portable and convenient, ensuring reliable power for emergencies or outdoor activities. Stay comfortable and protected outdoors with the ATG Reinforced Utility Pant. These moisture-wicking pants keep you dry during any activity, while the stretch canvas and gusseted crotch allow full mobility for hiking, bending, or climbing. Reinforced knees and kick plates ensure durability, and UPF 30 protection shields you from the sun. With on-the-go storage in a zip utility pocket and hidden inside pocket, these straight leg pants are perfect for camping, trail adventures, or any outdoor physical activity. Get a restful night anywhere with the Sportneer Camping Cot. This comfort cot bed for camping and traveling supports up to 330 pounds and sets up in just 30 seconds with a secure leg rotation lock. Made of durable 600D Oxford cloth and stainless steel brackets, it's wide, sturdy, and perfect for adults. Side pockets and a 3-in-1 storage bag keep essentials handy. Ideal for camping trips, picnics, hikes, or accommodating guests, it ensures comfort indoors or outdoors. That wraps up our list of the coolest camping gadgets for 2026. Which of these Amazon camping finds are you adding to your camping gear checklist? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest outdoor gear reviews and camping hacks. Check the links in the description to grab these. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trails.